Okay, guys. Today we're going to learn about unit rates, which we have already discussed. Um, and again, we did it last year, and we did it the year before, actually. So this year, the unit rate, remember, is just the cost for one item. All right, that's basically what we're doing. A unit rate. It's a comparison between two things. All right. So let me get started real quick. All right. Let's look at number one. All right. When I asked to write the unit rate, it calls for $9 for 6 cans of soup. So all we're doing is we're going to take 9 and divide it by 6. All right. When you take 9 divided by 6, all right, you see that reduces to 3/2. But since we're talking about dollars, we want it as $1.50, all right, per can. All right. So again, look how simple that was. You always take the first number, divide it by the second number, and that's going to give you the unit price. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at question number 2. All right. Question number 2 says this. All right. $39 for a case of 75 bananas. So we're going to take $39, all right, and we're going to divide it by 75. All right. And when we do that, if we reduce that fraction, all right, it would be 13/25, which is the same as 0.52. So in this case, it would be 52 cents, all right, per case. All right. Or I'm sorry, 50 cents not per case, but per what? Banana. All right. 52 cents per banana. All right. Let's take a look now at question number 3. So for question number 3, I have 108 miles in 6 days. So it'd be 108 divided by 6, which is the same as 18 miles per day. That's what that means. All right, now how did I know it was miles? Because the miles is on top, the days on the bottom, so we say miles per day. All right, that wasn't hard. All right, let's take a look at number 4. All right, so now we have 51 meters in 8 seconds, so we're going to try to figure out how many meters I can go per second. All right, and if I take 51 and I divide it by 8, I end up with 6.375 meters per second. All right. Now again, I am giving you permission to use your calculator on this. All right, which should make the problems much easier. But when you can, I do want you to use your mental math. All right. So let's take a look at number 5. All right. So we have 21 new pairs of sneakers in 7 years. So that would be what? I get approximately 3 pairs of sneakers per what? Per year. Very, very, very easy. Very easy. All right, let's look at this one. So if it takes 52 feet for 8 costumes, again, we're just dividing that. All right, and that would be 6.5 feet per costume. All right, sorry about that. Let me go ahead and see if I can fix that real quick. Slide it over a little bit so we can see it, shrink it down. All right, let me erase it. Okay, so it's 6.5 feet approximately per costume. All right, over here, 40 sneezes in 20 minutes. So that'd be 40 divided by 20, which is just 2. So that means you sneeze twice every minute. 2 sneezes per minute. All right. Now, again, for 2702, here we go. 2702 divided by 28. So if I take that and divide that out, that works out to be, I think, $337.75 per person. Alright? Again, guys, I think this is pretty easy. Alright? Especially if I'm allowing you to use a calculator. Alright? So now let's take a look at number 9. It says a 64-ounce container of sports juice costs $6.50, right? And a 48-ounce container of the same juice costs $4.25. Which size container is the best buy? Alright? So again, you always want to divide money because you want to know how much per ounce. So you would say $6.50 divided by 64, and then you would compare that to $4.25 divided by 48. Alright, now again you can use your calculator, so let's figure what that is real quick. Alright, so we say $6.50 divided by 64. Alright, and when we do that, we come up with 6.5 divided by 64. That would be about 0.102, right? Or we say about 10.2 cents per ounce. And over here, if we take 4.25 and we divide that by 48, you end up with 0.08, or about 8.9 cents per ounce. So which one is the better deal? Obviously, the second one is the better deal. So let's just go ahead and highlight that. So the 48 ounces is the better deal. Alright? Pretty easy. Alright? Now, we're just going to do a couple more. Alright? Number 10, part of the reason why I'm only going to do a couple more is because, believe it or not, my computer is dying. It's out of battery. And I don't have my charger. Alright, so I'm probably going to have to cut it short tonight. But I will get all the answers back up tomorrow when I get my charger. Alright, so let's look at this. She can knit 15 rows in 22 minutes. So we're going to say we can do 15 in 22 minutes. So that would be, let's do that on the calculator. That would be 15 divided by 22. So I could do about 0.6818 rows per minute. So bear with me on that. And then it says, well, then how much can I do in 90 minutes? Well, I would simply take that answer and multiply it by 90. So I take that answer, multiply that by 90, and you can see that I could do about 61, right? I could do about 61.36 rows, all right? So about 61.36 rows, all right? Listen, I'm really sorry I have to cut it short. I'm down to 2% and I need to get everything posted. Now I'm down to 1%, so I got to go. All right, I'll finish this up for you tomorrow, guys, but I think you should get this. Have a great day.